how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube on iPhone and Android. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So for that we just have to go on our YouTube app. So from here you have to go to your profile, which is in the right top corner. Then here you have to click on settings. And then from here you have to click on general. If you have an iPhone, the general option will be down. So click on general. And then from here you have to scroll down. And as you can see here we have restricted mode, so you can toggle that off. So that's it guys, now we no longer have the restricted mode. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and you can also like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.